Hello, welcome to Mobile.net. Today I will show you how to show data on Datatable using Laravel. I will put the final project link on the description. Datatable server-side documentation you can find from datatable.net. First we need a jQuery and Datatable JavaScript. So copy them, then paste into our project. I will modify the template first. Now put them all before the body text and put the Datatable CSS in head text. Put also the bootstrap CSS. Now copy the template table. Change the class to table hover, table strip. I will generate all this data user on the table with the name, email, and criteria. So let's change the table rows. I add one more column called action, so we can put edit and delete button here. Okay, copy the JavaScript data table for the server-side correction. This is the ID of table. Make sure that the name is correct. Because we're using Laravel, we need to change a little bit on this Ajax connection. First array is URL. Then data type, then the last one is data. Generate URL of root to the server-side script. I name it as data processing. Data type is JSON. Type method is post. We need send a token because we using the post method. One more thing, add columns after Ajax. Now open the root file, add the new root with post method. And don't forget, set the name same as the URL name from Datatable Ajax. I will put the Serverside function in Datatable controller which I made before. Let's print what the Datatable is trying to request. Because we will generate all data from user tables, so call the user model on top. Open the browser and see the network data transfer. Click the URL of Serverside. You can see this is the request from Datatable Ajax. We will use this as a reference. Let's code the Serverside. First, comment the printf. Create a variable called curve. The array is the same value with columns from JavaScript databases before. Create a variable for total data. Get value from user count. Create a variable for limit. The value we get from Ajax request called length. Create a variable for order. The value actually from index of the columns. Let's see the request data again. This is how we can get the index of column. Now type request input order dot zero dot column. Create a variable for dir. The value is from order.0.dir request. Create a variable to get all the data based on limit and order by. Then create a variable and set an empty array on it. Declare a JSON object with the name of column and value from Serverside. The action you can add a HTML text. Let's add them into the empty array. Now create a JSON data array. Set object draw value from request draw. Set object request total. Value from total data variable. Set object data value from data variable. The final step, generate the JSON using JSON encode. Okay, check it now on browser. There's error right there. Hold on. Oh, sorry. This should be order by, not order. Refresh again. Okay, now the data was error. Sorry, I forgot to put the dollar. Maybe mistakes. Now we got the data. The order works fine. try to search a user. You can see that the data is not changed at all because we not set the data for filter. Back to get data function. First, we should get the search request value. If the request input search that value is empty, we print the data without filtering. And we also need count the data. Else, or if the search value is not empty, we filter the data based on search value. Add record filter in JSON data array. Okay, check now on browser. This the data when we open the page. It's print and data. Now search something. You can see on the network traffic, the table only showing 2 data now. Try to click this action column. It shows error. That's because we need to tell the Datatable that the action column should not be searched and ordered. So set them to false. Now we can click the action column. Let's try to search the email column. Okay, I think I missed something here. Sorry, I forgot to put the dollar again. Everything works fine now. Thank you for watching.